Fort Worth and her crew send their thoughts and prayers to those affected by this tragedy, and we are working around the clock in close coordination with our Indonesian partners to support all the search efforts that are ongoing. Well, of course, we're working closely with the Indonesians who are leading these search efforts. We're basically operating our small boats, launching our helicopters, and conducting visual search from the bridge as we transit the area. We have approximately 100 crew members on board, and we will remain on station as long as we can provide any useful assistance to our Indonesian partners. So we're out here working with several partner nations to include Singapore and Indonesia. The liaison officer is working alongside Indonesia's National Search and Rescue Agency, and they are basically passing us Indonesian direction for search areas for both the Fort Worth and the Samson. We conducted air search with our embarked MH-60 Romeo helicopter for about 8.5 hours, and our helicopter has been working closely with the USS Samson's 2 helicopters in support of all the search efforts. Fort Worth's helicopter has been coordinating in their search efforts with the USS Samson's helicopters, and they've been relieving each other on station when any items of interest are found. So it's been a very good coordinated effort between our 2 ships. We also launched our 2 11-meter ribs, our what we call small boats, at first light this morning to support our surface search using our 2 mobile diving and salvage unit teams and 2 sets of sonar equipment on each boat. These towfish side scan sonar systems are placed in the water and used in the active mode to start mapping the seafloor and looking for debris. Our boats are back on board Fort Worth. Fort Worth's 11-meter boats are uniquely suited for this mission because they're not as susceptible to the sea state as some of the smaller crafts are when operating at these slow speeds that the towfish requires. But we are using our air and surface search systems to continue on our efforts. We will continue our similar search efforts as we have today unless otherwise requested by the Indonesians.